My people, once again, my name is Alobebe Official. I'm coming live and clear from Nyambohanse village, the most popular village, guys. Thank you for the love and support, guys. Thank you for the return subscriber. Look, the view, man. Car grazing here. So who doesn't have the clue? This is Nyambohanse, man, and that's the tarmac road. So right there, as you can look, we have some maize plantation there. That one there, man. So it's another day which God have granted us. So be aware, guys. Watch this video until the end. Give more videos, like, comment, share as you can. That's the best way to support Hello Baby Official. And guys, sorry for that because my voice is going down because I was celebrating Ayamaro party, man. So just like my voice is going down. So guys, look, and who doesn't have the clue about the Nyambohanse? Let me show you how they look. Take the look, man. That one there. Wow. So I'm keep going, and this place is swampy area. This is the tarmac road that connect East Africa. Wow, very awesome. So look, and right there, that is the tractor, man. Oh, and today, guys, the weather is chilling, man. As you can look, today we're gonna have some rain, man. Oh, huge tractor is coming, man. That one there, wow. It's transporting, wow. Awesome. So I'm keep going. So right there, that's Nyambohanse, man. Look the view, man. Nyambohanse village. So I'm keep going, and guys, I'm trying to shoot this video on Monday morning. Look at that. What do you think about Nyambohanse? Guys, look. Wow. Oh man, I'm keep going, and more amazing videos coming, man. So look at the nature of Nyambohanse. Everything is so green, super green along the road, man. Very awesome, man. Look at that. So after 5 years, Nyambohanse is still developing, man. So I'm keep going right there. Wow. So look, this is how Nyambohanse, man, looks like in map, in live, in nature. This one right here, man. Wow. Look at. Wow. Guys, this is how Nyambohanse looks like. Right here. And that tall building you see there, it's an hospital here. Wow. Look at. So this road is a public road that connects Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, the part of East Africa. Oh man. So I'm keep going. On the road you have some signs, and these medical centers right there. Wow, you have some restaurants, signboard, hotel, schools. Yes, and at the far end, guys, that you see the motorbike, that is the stage. Stay. So guys, as you can look at the far end, road have been started constructed because you have some parliament and this is the public road. Wow, it is what it is. I don't take things for granted, for sure. I'm showing you live, man. Wow. So who doesn't have the clue about Nyambohanse is this one here. When you want to come at Maro Party, when you reach at this point, you wanna go that way, and then down. Yes. Stay. Yes. Maybe I wanna pass here. Yes. Hey. 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 Look at. Hey. So on this place here they try to. Yeah. And then. Wow. Yes. So look at it. Look at it. Look at. Yes. So they try to put more to make things to be concrete right here. Yes. So guys, maybe in 10 years, Nyabuhanse village, they try to be changed or to be developed in nature. Wow. So guys, when you come at tomorrow's party, you don't struggle a lot. Yes. Wow. Hey, man. And people are moving up and down. Wow. So this tractor is going to pick some more this one here. So it's going down there and going that way. Yes. This is how it looks like. And it's coming at the far end. This tractor is coming, man. Right here. Wow. Yes. Look at that. So this will have some wheat right here. Wow. It's coming. And then going that way. Yes. Wow. Yes. So it's going. Wow. So huge progress is going here, man. Look at that. Wow. This stuff was built here by the President of Kenya. So it means that this road have been constructed and put some balance to be rook the tarmac road. Wow. So I'm keep going, man. Yes. I'm on the road, man. I'm heading to Ayamara Parliament because look, I'm in charge. So clean your space, clean your mind. So I'm trying to clean Menjalin compound and likewise to clean my mind. Wow. Hey.
To tell them we are cleaning with you.
Yeah? Tell them?
We are together with you.
Yeah, I'm here with the Noel Chacha cleaning the Menjalin compound. So in short guys, you wanna put it this way. Yeah. You are in charge of the hygiene. Yes? So look, it's going, man. So me and Noel, we are doing the proper hygiene. So look. So although Noel Chacha doesn't have this clothes here. Yeah. Hey. So Noel, yeah. What do you think about this Nyabuhanse in 5 years? 5 good years.
The seat of champion of the YouTuber.
Yeah. Already God have changed Nyabuhanse. Yeah. Turns to be a millionaire village. Yeah. Through God's plan, maybe in 5 years, even if you wanna become a millionaire.
Yeah. You know, even the village, they will say that.
So hey, you just woke up and show people how.
This village is like traveling commando.
Okay, it's traveling commando. Because he was the one who started, and then there are so many people.
Of course.
Oh, awesome.
Wow.
Unajisikiaje sai? Sasa hii barabara inaimwa. Tekiwa rami utakuwa unaenda hadi kwenu. No problem. So right here, it's our doctor called Moshi. So he was in charge who treat people at Ayamara from this guy here, man. Yes. Wow. Me, I'm keep going downward. So look at. And then, boom. Look. Hey. What do you think? Is it what? Is it look there? Is it Kifaru? No problem. Yes, it's doing like this one. So they tried to scoop more ram here. So look at. And then on this part here. And it's going. Yes. Wow. So even the border they try to start going. Look. And then guys, I'm going downward. So this road have been constructed. So they want to put some tarmac road that's heading to Tanzania, the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So at the main border town. Okay, so be aware. So look at, yeah, right here you have some grass, cow, goats are grazing there. Wow. No, why do you hurry up? Say something, maybe you have some good idea.
I don't have good idea because now I'm thinking about how I am going to tell my people. Now I'm reaching 100K.
Hey, right here you see, our village is developing, man. Look at, you have some sliding gate down there, man. Wow. So they tried to construct some bricks here for constructing the perimeter all on this part here. Look at that one here, that way there. So you are thinking about
How I am going to celebrate with my people. I am prepared a good, awesome video.
awesome video.
Like a surprise to my people. I
Uh-huh.
have reached 100K, guys.
100K.
What?
Did you apply for the gold and silver?
I want to ask Boss Maro how I will.
Yes, it is going.
Crowd Joseph. Crowd Joseph. Aidan Asto, they know about those things. Yeah.
So guys, even me through God's plan, so we are going this way, we are using this Panya route here.
Yeah.
So we left the main road. So because today I'm trying to pass on Panya route, guys. So guys, don't mind on that. My voice is going down wide, but I want to know in the comment section, what do you think about this video for today? I'm here with my friend. Kindly, he was a YouTuber. He has a YouTube channel. Goes by the name Noel Chacha. Kindly subscribe. And already, guys, through God's plan, he started from 0 to 100K subscriber. Congratulations, my brother.
Yeah.
Even me, one day, one time, I wanna hit 100 subscriber.
Even you will go
more than that. So I want to aim higher.
Yeah.
By the time going, I will aiming higher. Yes. So we are going right there. So even right now, guys, you don't take things for granted that I'm wake up like this time. We wake up early in the morning, 6, doing manual work,
even
collecting rubbish in the compound around Menjelin compound, sweeping the Menjelin house or Menjelin Villa, whichever the case. So it is our time to change the location, to breathe the nature of other area. Yes.
friend, the tomorrow we can show them how we wake up very early in the morning.
Maybe you wanna use light.
Yeah.
Yes, it is light. Maybe they see these guys is wake up early in the morning.
Yeah.
So you don't take things for granted. I'm telling you the reality about our hygiene around Menjelin compound. I'm in charge. I want to show you at my back. It's written those in white in color. So maybe no church they can show you at my back of my shirt. Yes, look at the back.
Clean your space, clean your
You can
mind.
read, bro.
Clean your space, clean your mind.
Oh, awesome. Like this one here, likewise.
Clean your space,
Uh-huh.
clean your mind.
Yes. So it means that every day when you see this t-shirt, guys, I'm in charge of personal hygiene. And maybe when you attend at the party, man, when you feel unwell, there is emergency doctor there. They can treat you or inject you. So I think previous day you wanna watch Ayamaro video, so the doctor have already arrived there. So 24 hours you wanna find the doctor there. Maybe on feeling headache, stomach ache, or any fever, guys, you have emergency doctor there. So it's an professional doctor, so they can treat you or inject you. And maybe in case of danger, we have fire extinguisher, we have ambulance. So guys, everything is available, music, as you know. And I know, guys, you have already watched some several live stream for the YouTuber. So guys, be tuned, more amazing videos coming. I'm heading to Ayamara because it's around 10 a.m. in Africa watch time, and I don't know where you're watching me from there, guys. If it's morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where you are, guys. So I'm keep going right there, man. So be tuned, more amazing videos coming. And my cameraman here is Noel Chacha.
Himself,
Mhm.
guys. Go by the name Noel Chacha. The
Mhm.
village boy here, small boy. We are doing awesome content
Hey,
to ensure that everything is
is
good.
a goodie.
If every day the village is changing, the
It's
life-
changing. Like today, you don't have any clue about our village.
Yeah.
We wake up in the morning, like this time we are
Yeah.
around 4 a.m. in watch time in Africa. So you see right there the public road they tried to construct and build some tarmac road.
Yeah.
Very awesome video. And guys, please like the video, comment, share. And this is Mama Filista's home, man. Yes. So I'm keep going. By the time we are still going, so right here, guys, this tobacco plantation. So who doesn't have the clue, guys? This tobacco plantation. So nowadays we have a lot of people who planting tobacco. So look at this whole part. It's tobacco, man. So maybe I wanna show you the slaughterhouse. Whichever the case, man, this is the slaughterhouse in our village here, Nyabohansi. So right now, when you pass here in the morning, they try to slaughterhouse. Wow, man, look. So they hang here. This is a hook. They hang here, and on this, so the neck it is hanging like this, and then they cut on this part here. So look at. So every single moment when they finish to slaughter the house, the goat or the cow, and probably they slaughter the cow here. So after finish, they wash them. So it is clean and neat, man. So what do you think about in this slaughterhouse in our village here? In the comment section, man. So look at that. Wow, very nice, very awesome slaughterhouse, man. Wow. So every day you wanna slaughter your house, the cow, goat, and it's going. Wow, maybe you have some broken of the some horns. This one here, guys. This is the horns from the cow. So right there, they try to throw some both joints, lower joints, guys. This one here, it is upper jaw and lower jaw. That one here, look, and it says some premolar and molar teeth, man. Wow. So who for the new subscriber? This is our slaughterhouse in Nyabuhansi village. That one here. So I'm keep going.
I know in town
Mhm.
is one house only where people they mainly go to slaughter like cow, goats, hens. Yeah. So in our village, even you can slaughter at your place, at
Okay.
your family.
And this man is struggling coming here, man. Wow. And it's going. So guys, this sunflower here. And no chacha.
Yeah.
Do you know the fun thing of sunflower?
There?
The work of sunflower.
Yeah.
What's the work of sunflower?
They used to make some oil.
Some oil. And right now, guys, the fun thing of this sunflower, you can face where the sun is coming from.
What?
When it's coming from east, it's faced this way. When it's going to west, it can turn and face that way.
True story.
True story.
Wow.
It's
I will check.
you that had the
Even right now.
look.
I am seeing
Yeah, the sun is coming from east.
Yeah.
Now look at it. It's facing. Tell the people.
Is facing
East. When the sun goes to west, it faces that way.
Even I'm seeing this one. Is right to come this.
Yes, that's why it's called sunflower. Sunflower.
Wow.
So it is a flower and then it is sun. This kind, it look like a sun. So it's a sunflower.
Yeah, I was known that is a older plant that.
So that name from sunflower,
Yeah.
this is the sun. So it's follow the sun where it's coming from.
Wow.
And then it is a flower. So when coming from east, it can face that way.
Thank you.
When going to west, west. Man, what do you know about in the comment section? Am I right? Yes, this one here, sunflower. That one here. Yes. And this is how tobacco they looks like in our village here, man. We have like 1 hectare of the tobacco plantation.
You want to know that the tobacco have to be matured.
And
Not
guys,
how you to know that.
and guys, maybe when you come in the village here or in Africa, this tobacco they can burn them in our local, we wanna call BAT, or in our local house, and then they use fireplace to burn them. So after that, they can sold to the company so to make cigarette. That one here, man, tobacco plantation. It meant when it's processed or when it's ready from the farm, go to the farmer house and then they burn in firebox, and then guys they sell in industry so to make cigarettes. This one here, tobacco, man. This one here. Okay. This cow is grazing here. So that one here. As I'm keep going, so down there that's Mama Ann house. Wow. Take the look of our village here. Village lifestyle. Wow. This is maize plantation here. Wow. So guys, this is Mama Ann's house right here. Mama Ann's house, that one there. My mother's home or my grandfather's home right here. Wow. I'm keep going downward. So if the rooms are full, so you wanna hire the tent. So they are on upper inside there on the compound. Maybe I wanna stand here to show you. So look at. So that's the tent. Yes, you wanna hire and then you sleep inside right there. Yes, this one here is the tent. Yes. This is Mama Ann's. They have business here. Wow. Yes, biscuit. Yes, road pop. Bikubwa. Yes, Bikubwa is the road pop one. This one here. So guys, for the new subscriber, this is Mama Ann. And actually guys, I wanna appreciate for her work that they wanna do for the small business here. And actually guys, they sold roll pop biscuit, man. Biscuit mwalimu. You know, in our village here, you have some kids they like biscuit mwalimu. So when you want to buy your kids biscuit, you wanna buy biscuit mwalimu. That's the name. Yes, right here, man. So for the new subscriber, please, this is Mama Ann and his business and her business. Okay, this is the main stage here. Wow. And here they sold sugar cane right there. So guys, I'm keep going downward, and then the whole road they will put some this stone from mining place. and it's shining, man. So look, yes. I'm keep going. So that's Mama Ann come with the business, man. Look at that. And guys, I want to know in the comment section what do you think about this video for today, man. So I'm company with Mama Ann going to Ayamarwa party, man, or Ayamarwa Villa. So they, who been surprised.
Yes.
Hey, you look very
This
beautiful.
color you
Ah.
know it.
And this is so
So
comfortable.
pretty.
So
Yeah,
pretty.
Wow.
Wow.
Hey.
Yes.
Like this, the way you want it. And then,
Yeah.
if maybe you're in the house,
Yes.
it's free.
Yes.
So if you don't want anything tight,
Yeah.
you can always be walking with it around the house. Or even going
Nice.
somewhere. Do it
Yeah.
alone with a short, without this one.
Uh-huh.
Like this. And then
Yes.
this.
Okay.
Like this. And then
Yes.
you turn the way you want it. Like if someone like this.
Yes,
Maybe
like
with a
many
small, yeah, like a
yes.
small short or something.
Okay.
A
Yes.
vest.
There's
And there's
other
one-
way.
one.
This,
Can you
yes.
do
this.
this?
Mm-hmm.
Eh, boss lady. Yup,
Yeah.
Wow.
Hindu. Hindu,
Hindu.
Hindu.
Okay.
Hey.
This one. You do it.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yes, she has become a Hindu girl.
And now I'm many cultures in
Hey.
one.
Hey.
You can see yourself in them.
Hey.
It's so beautiful. The color and the
Thank you guys. Thank you. I really love the color. Really love the color. Thank you so much. I
And
will
maybe
receive orders.
today you can walk like that.
I
It's
should
so
walk.
free, like
Yes.
with sandals or something like.
Yes, yes.
It's
Like
so
I can
good.
add also my own style, right?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a picture.
Yeah.
So thumbnail.
Thumbnail. African village cook.
Chief chef.
Chief
Right now.
chef. African village chief chef. Hi guys, I'm African village cook. I'm here cooking for Marwa and his visitors and all the big people around.
VIP.
There's so many big people, but there's VIP and there's other. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Yeah, even today I'm cooking chicken and chicken for lunch.
Show people.
Yeah, I'm cooking chicken for lunch and I'll also do goat curry in the evening. So
Yeah,
come
like
to my
rice.
channel and watch. But right now, this is what's going on here.
Chicken.
Yeah.
This one. Hey. Na hii ni nini?
This is a cooker. We are soon going to start baking some things here.
Cake.
Yeah, it's just new.
You know how to bake the cake?
Yes, we have.
You have the master.
We bake.
This one,
She bakes really nice cake and everything. So soon we're going to do that.
So right now you are enjoying your big gas cook.
Yeah.
Yes, rather than small one. Irudi yacha, siwezi enda.
Yeah.
Eh.
So yeah, right now just give me time to do my cooking.
Yes, you just cook.
Okay.
Maybe naweza pati collab. Njoo kidogo. Special out kidogo.
Yeah.
Eh.
Hello guys, hello babies family. I go by the name Chef Claire _1 and I'm here to help African village cook tea to cook nice food, you know. Yeah, so that I can deliver very appetizing food to the visitors and also to our boss Marons.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. Enjoy your day. Tasty.
I'm called Amkoga. Yeah, that's my YouTube channel. And this one is my house name for now. Yeah, this one is my house name.
They sell here cold juice, sodas. This is mango juice, guys. Look bro.
I just feel for that. Yeah, I think we wanna start it from here. I just want to support my sister to promote her. I just wanna buy for 10 people.
I'm the first one.
You the first one?
Yes. Hey,
Okay.
hey,
You the
mango
first
juice.
one. I just wanna buy for 10 people.
Yes, mango juice is
I
best.
just wanna buy for 10
Uwe
people.
otangi juice.
Yeah. I just wanna buy for 10 people. And then make sure they
Tanga
drink it.
ananas. Yeah, I'm drinking.
10 people. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 already. 3 more. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, so guys, the juice. I think I'll go around. I'll go around campaigning for them to come and buy the juice. Yeah, but for now, I just want to support my friend.
And yet they sell.
Uh,
And then
make sure
they
that,
put straw. Yes, she's a real nice guy. Wow.
Please, guys, support.
Yes, subscribe to my sister here. I am Koga.
To my sister, my channel.
Mm.
Koga, please, I'm begging you.
This business hall is meant for yours,
Yeah.
or you are in partnership.
But this one is mine. This one.
Belong to yours, but this one here, partnership. Oh, they sell here Pamba. So Pamba means credit. Wow. Hey. Hey. So Vista, you don't need to struggle a lot. Here there's cafe, mandazi, groundnut, mangoes, and it was blended and make juice like this one here, right? Hey. Even Chris is here. This is Ropo, King Kubwa. They sold eggs, boiled eggs. People are enjoying here, soft drink. Hey. Yes. Even the Chris is here.
What's that?
Hey.
Like your hat's back.
Yes.
It looks like
My beret is here.
Exactly.
Ninja.
Gorilla forces.
I'm ninja.
You know the gorilla forces are in the jungle.
rebels,
Yeah,
they love to
the rebels. Yeah. How much is it? How much is the cost?
Nirengu kukule nyako hapo. Dokomo tepi biashara ni vya.
Mango. It's 100? Mango. You got mango? Mango?
No, I got it.
Iga. Unini gwera kambi kam emengo. Mango. Eh.
Itisha mango. Itisha mango. Ile yangu
Is
nitapewa.
this one good stars or no?
Mango. Yani gwe mango.
You know much?
From right there. So I'm heading this way. Wow. With my special juice. Real life in our village here. No problem. And people are painting here. Wow. Noel, nakuja hivi. Yes, they try to paint. So I'm heading this way. So guys, I wanna end this video here by saying, guys, subscribe to my channel, like my video, share, comment, and come with positive vibes. Always win, guys. So right here is the fish pond, man. So they wanna show you, and this is the ladder. So they want to connect here some CCTV right here. Wow. So guys, I wanna end this video here by saying, guys, let's meet for the next video or next episode, guys. Bye bye.